I got these cute hot sauces from Costco. They came in a pack and I love the branding, the packaging of it. And then on the back it tells you which ones they are. Only tried this one and it's so good. But I didn't know where to put them around the house, so I'm like, just gonna set them up like this. They're too cute to be hidden in a drawer. Really dark. I can't stop. Like, I haven't had a book that I just can't put down like this. It's later on in the day. I'm gonna make myself a coffee. It's 5 o'clock, but look how dark it is. I haven't been feeling good all day, so I've just been cleaning and then laying down and then cleaning and then laying down. But I'm gonna make myself a coffee and then make dinner. And then, yeah, that's it. Very chill Wednesday, Thursday. Today's Thursday. Very chill Thursday afternoon. Let's get it, girls. Should we do caramel or vanilla? We do caramel. I can't get over this Bratz mug cup. Okay, so we're gonna stay in. Yeah, look at these cute flowers Sean got me. Let's see what he got. Okay. Ooh. We got some vanilla ice cream. Some Magnum ice cream. Raspberry. This looks good. Potatoes, red potatoes. Ooh, some Zinfandel. And another red wine.
That's good.
Really?
Yeah. Put a cold brew liqueur in there.
Yeah.
Why do I not even taste it? Oh.
Because
that's what made it just a little bit different, maybe.
yeah. I think that's why I didn't like it. It was like smoky. It tasted like smoky to me. Maybe it doesn't want to be cut.
Honestly, we're actually just using the wrong tool.
Yeah.
You're not really technically supposed to use scissors to cut this kind of stuff.
Go do your thing and I'm gonna do my thing. Okay, we're trying to reorganize this room. Let's see. Oh my god, it even smells good, babe. Mm-hmm. Good job.
So then I can just turn it sideways.
Yeah. By herself? She could sleep like this, huh? By herself?
We can make it better by taking the top mattress off and putting it on. I'm just using one. But either way works.
This smells good.
Is there anything else you want to rearrange?
This is perfect.
Like all our appliances outside.
Yes.
That's gonna be so convenient.
And we're gonna, like, our island Look at her. Look at I want something sweet, babe.
I know, about like that.
I want strawberries with Nutella. Ice cream. Hi.
Sometimes I don't.
I'm getting ready to go to dinner with one of my friends. Just don't know what I want to wear. Okay. I want to wear this. Skims. What are these? Aritzia? Yeah, Skims Aritzia. And then I think I want to wear... I like the top of this. They feel like not cute with this outfit. You can also wear this one, but I wear this one a lot. I don't really wear this one that much. I think I'm gonna wear boots. I love these. I've been looking for a pair like this, but that's more pointed. These are so it. Okay, cute or what? Cute. These pants are wrinkly, but I'm too lazy to do anything about it.
True, I haven't had sushi in so long.